The urgency of this bill is evident when we consider the fact that these hazards are mostly prevalent in the sectors that drive our economy. In construction, unsafe scaffolding and collapsing structures have left families devastated. In manufacturing, exposure to hazardous chemicals and poor training to continue to endanger lives and undermine productivity. In oil and gas, the backbone of our economy, risk from inflammable substances, toxic gases, and offshore operations demand preparedness and accountability that only clear legal mandates can ensure. Even in agriculture, where millions of Nigerians earn their livelihood, workers face pesticide exposure, machinery accidents, and unsafe conditions that have long been neglected. This bill also recognizes the indispensable contributions and exposure to dangers of healthcare workers, transport operators, artisans, and those in the informal sector. These groups form the bedrock of our national workforce, yet they remain among the least protected and continue to suffer physical, biological, psychological traumas. By extending safety obligations, strengthening enforcement, and promoting awareness, this bill ensures that no Nigerian worker is left behind.
These bills change that by providing stronger enforcement power for inspectors, clearer duty for employers and employees, mandatory reporting systems, improving penalty for violations, nationwide safety information management, enhanced training and certification requirements, and to expanded protections for vulnerable workers. The relevance of this bill is not limited to workplace safety alone. A safer workforce is a major productive workforce. A healthy workforce reduces strain on our healthcare system. A regulated safety environment increases investors' confidence, strengthens expert readiness, and boosts the competitiveness of Nigerian goods and services.
You have to look at some of these exposures in the workplace to the kind of hazard you are exposed to. The hazards are not of the same level. Somebody exposed to radiological, explosive, chemical, biological, all these components, if they are to be covered, each should be covered with a commensurate kind of punishment. We agree that anything that has to do with fire and life safety or life safety in general is the business of everybody. It's not like we want exclusive right to this. But when you allow somebody to be approving, it means he has superior authority over the other stakeholders, which is something that will be conflicting with the Fire Service Act, the Building Code, and the Fire Code.